Ready?
Thank you.
Ready? So,
श्वेता आप जज करने वाली हैं ये शोज की वजह से
नहीं मैं जज नहीं करने वाली हूँ, मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ जो कि शोकेस कर रहे हैं डूडलेज करके. सो आई एम हियर टू सपोर्ट
what are
माय
you expecting
फ्रेंड्स.
tonight?
आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रेंड्स दैट आई विल बी लर्निंग बिकॉज मेरा खुद का फैशन बैकग्राउंड है. आई वेंट टू निफ्ट दिल्ली. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी व्हाट्स अपकमिंग एंड न्यू.
And congratulations for Haram.
थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज सब जाके हरामखोर देखिए और बताइए कैसी लगी.
So, what was the best compliment you get from Bollywood stars and Bollywood fraternity?
एक one of the best compliments for me after Haramkhor was when this audience member he said कि मैडम अगर ये रिपोर्ट कार्ड होता तो मैं आपको A+ देता. So I thought that was really sweet.
श्वेता आफ्टर वर्किंग विद नवाज टू whom we want to work.
रणबीर कपूर.
What do you want to say about the response that Haramkhor has got? Like, it's a low-budget film, but
Correct.
उसमें अच्छा response मिला है. Are you happy with the response? What is your feeling?
I'm extremely happy because when an artist आप कोई भी काम करते हो तो आप चाहते हो कि पूरी दुनिया काम देखे. तो एंड फाइनली हरामखोर आफ्टर 4 years of battles with the censorship and everybody तो रिलीज़ हुई है. तो इट वॉज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड बिग डील फॉर अस. तो हमने फिल्म इज़ मेड अंडर 1 crore और हमने ऑलरेडी 1 crore बना लिया है. सो दैट्स ग्रेट. लाइक बाकी फिल्म से कंपैरिजन में 1 crore इज़ नथिंग बट फॉर अस 1 crore इज़ अ लॉट. सो इट्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई कीप रिक्वेस्टिंग पीपल टू गो वॉच बिकॉज एवरी टिकट मैटर्स.
श्वेता आफ्टर हरामखोर एनी ऑफर यू वांट.
There are scripts which I'm reading, so hopefully, fingers crossed, there should be some good news soon.
नवाज सर से क्या कुछ सीखने मिला आपको?
अरे Nawazuddin Siddiqui he's one of the best actors we have, and वो इतनी space देते हैं to the co-actor that you learn and grow a lot. So I would love to work with him again and again.
If we talk about Nawaz promotion की बात करें या फिर स्क्रीनिंग की, बहुत कम जगह दिखाई रही है Haramkhor
जी.
के लिए. इसकी कोई खास वजह?
अरे नहीं वो बहुत ही बिजी. इनफैक्ट वो दुबई में थे एंड मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज़ किए उनके साथ और इतना मज़ा आता है क्योंकि उनका वो बहुत ही विटी एंड इंटेलिजेंट इंसान है. तो हमने काफ़ी दिन किए थे इंटरव्यूज़ साथ में.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Yeah, I guess so.
Fine, are we doing it fine? We're doing a video.
Thank you.
What video? They want a visual. Also, can you just... Okay. The worst ever. Thank you. Are you good? We're done?
हाँ रुकेंगे.
वानी मैम वीडियो में चलो वेट अरे हटो यार लुक यार
Ready?
You're holding like 4 mics. 5. Oh, no, 4. Hi guys. Hi.
Okay, guys, only event-related questions. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
That's it. No. Just talk about air, just talk about graduates and talk about
Rolling?
Should I bend?
No, it's okay. Okay, hi Vani. Firstly,
Hi.
Tell us what exactly is happening over here. अंदर क्या हो रहा है? We hear you are the judge. So exactly क्या?
I have no idea how I'm going to judge this because I am not a fashionista. But you know, it's great that this happens every year, and Elle basically celebrates this every year, where you know they have some of the most brightest young fashion talent who are you know bringing about a change and bringing change in the Indian fashion and showing it a different direction. So it's really good to see new talent being you know given a chance and opportunity. and it's a huge platform. I feel Elle is a huge magazine, and they have a really, I mean, their popularity is on a like a really wide scale. So it's really good to see young, bright people getting an opportunity.
What quality you say to the models and for judging?
I'm sorry?
क्या क्या qualities देखेंगे models में judge करने के?
क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ मैं देखूंगी while judging? I'm honestly fretting right now. पता नहीं मैं कैसे करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे fashion की इतनी knowledge नहीं है. So whatever as a commoner I like, and whatever sense that I have of fashion, what I like as an individual, I'm going to judge on the basis of that.
Vani, as a fashion event, who are you wearing today? Is it like जो dress पहनते हैं उसके बारे में कुछ बताएंगे?
Yes, Rahul, Payal Khanna, right?
Payal Khandwala.
Khandwala, sorry. Payal Khandwala, please we can edit that.
Yeah.
Payal Khandwala.
So
Yeah.
after the Red Racing Ball,
Oh sorry, then
after the Bay Picnic, what movie will come?
Yeah, what are your future projects and what are the plans? Any film that you have signed, because all the fans are excited. We've seen you in Bay Picnic, we loved you in Bay Picnic.
Thank you.
But what next? What is next for one?
Abhi, there's nothing that's planned yet because you know I'm reading things and I'm seeing nothing signed, so there's nothing that I can talk about. But whenever there will be, then I'll make an
Vani, we
announcement.
heard कि Aditya sir is keen on signing you for Dhoom 4, which also has Shah Rukh Khan.
I
There
hope
are
that
rumors-
happens.
There are rumors.
It's a fantastic rumor which I hope turns into reality, but I have no idea. Yeah. I don't even think Adi has an idea about directing Dhoom 4 yet. But I don't know. Don't quote me. But I don't know. I'm not in it as of now.
Speaking about Bay Picnic, what do you want to say about the response that the audience has given to the film? Are you happy with the response?
I think it's got polarized reviews where there are people who've loved it and there are people who have not really, they've not really felt connected to the film the way one thought they would. But I feel it's also to do with the fact that it's a little bit ahead of its time. It's got polarized reviews, but I feel it's just a light-hearted romantic movie, which was, it's a romantic comedy, and I don't know what else can be expected out of it. But all I know is that I mean, there are people who've really shown a lot of love for the film, and we're just like, I'm just counting that.
Vani, during the film promotions, it was a sad thing that, and even you spoke about it in an interview that, people were speaking you've done something to your face and all. But what do you want to say about the things that
I don't
the
want to say
comments-
anything. I just want to go bang my head against this wall because I'm done answering. You guys feel I've
No,
done
I know
something.
you have answered
I'm
in a print interview, but for
Abhi,
electronic medium, you haven't given a bite. That's
What
why I'm
do-
asking you here.
You know, by giving me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I really don't want to comment here because I feel by commenting I'm giving so much importance to those few people who are coming up with such statements, which is really ridiculous for me to even answer because I feel I'm giving. It's just irrelevant for me.
which movie you are looking to see forward?
Oh, yeah.
Raees or Kabil?
Both films. I'm a big movie buff. I want to watch both, and I'm a big Shah Rukh Khan fan, and I really love watching Hrithik on screen. So I'm anticipating both films.
Did you see Nangal?
Yeah.
I have. It's an amazing film. Again, Amir Khan and all those girls and everybody you can't pinpoint anything wrong in that film. I think it's just an all-rounder winner.
Vani, speaking of Dangal, do you think Amir is like the best Khan of the three Khans that are there? Because all his films get a good critic response also, and it does good business also.
I don't
So-
think you should compare artists. Every artist has something unique about them, and they all bring something so different to the, to the film and to a certain character. So I don't think you can. I wouldn't want to compare anybody with anyone.
Personally, do you like
Personally, I love watching everybody. Yesterday I was watching, there was Dilwale Dulhania coming, and I only got to see the climax bit, and I saw Shah Rukh's this really expressive, just by his facial expressions, he was interacting with Amrish Puri, and I fell in love with him, and I was like, oh God, he's just magic on screen.
Vani, the Dangal, talking of the Dangal, Zaira Wasim has been trolled since she met Mehbooba Mufti. Okay, and
So yeah, we should not be commenting. Like, I am here at the
then
L.
she has written an apology also. Could you please speak about it?
Wow.
And even Amir has come in support of it.
I'm
And
honestly,
She has said that don't consider me as a role model.
See, other thing is that I have to apologize. I'm a little unaware of the
Vani, can you move a bit this way?
but and I would honestly would want to even comment on this platform where I'm supporting the new fashion designers and talking about somebody else's thing and creating controversy. So I'd speak about it, but on another forum.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Mama.
Thank you.
Ankit, one more year. One more year, ma'am. मैम राइट पे आपके मैम ये लुक हियर मैम राइट मैम ये राइट हियर क्या मैम मैम ये रेड हियर ब्रेन को इनके रिकॉर्ड किया मैम मैम ये गाना पड़ेगा नहीं बा मैम लोग के लिए टर्न हो जाओ नो योर स्ट्रेट देंगे मैम मैम टर्न हो जाओ वीडियो के लिए बात वेट थैंक यू मैम वेट कर रहा वीडियो के लिए मैम यहाँ पे मैम लेफ्ट में सेकंड कैमरा मैम फर्स्ट कैमरा वेट वीडियो के लिए पोस्ट देते हो या वेट ये बाबा शॉट तो ले लो यार मतलब यार अरे हटो यार हटो मैम
Wait, excuse me, bite चाहिए.
अरे बाइक
अरे 2 minutes. Come, Sandesh, come. Ready? Ready? So, Puna, what are you expecting tonight?
Of course, this is my first time that I'm walking for the L Awards red carpet. And I'm super excited because I've heard a lot about L Awards. Of course, everybody knows about it. So I'm just here to watch the show and enjoy the show.
Anything you want to say about the participants who will be walking the ramp?
I have heard about the participants, yes, and of course I'm here to support them. Of course I'm here to watch the show. I've always been into. I used to do modeling a lot, so it's always it's kind of exciting to be a part of the show.
In real life, how fashion is in real life?
What do you think how I am?
What's your personal style?
My personal styling. Honestly, I would not say anything on that. I mean, I can wear as comfortable clothes I want to, but because of course it's L Awards and everyone, it's about fashion. So I just thought to look as fashion.
Designer?
Oh, today I'm wearing Bhakti Joshi.
Favorite designer?
Bhakti Joshi, because that's the gown I'm wearing right now. So of course I'm gonna speak about it.
According to you, who is a fashion icon? According to you?
According to me, I think Sonam Kapoor. I really like her. I like Malaika Arora Khan. They're like so sexy.
Okay.
Any message you have for your fans who follow you rigorously on Twitter and wait for your pictures?
I'm gonna tell them that I'm here in L Awards tonight, and this is what I'm wearing. I hope it's perfectly. So, thank you. So just to tell you guys, I'm here and be on Twitter to watch everything what I post.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm ready. Look here. कैसा होगा यार? वीडियो के लिए जो आपको वेट. लाइव हो जाओ. हम यहाँ पे. आगे राइट now.
I can't hear any of you clearly.
अरे यहाँ कैमरा लो. आगे स्ट्रेट या. मैम लेफ्ट. आगे मैम वहाँ पे होने का वीडियो के लिए हम लोग के लिए.
so much, everybody.
Hi Nadia.
Hi.
It's good to see you here. What do you want to say about how excited are you for the event which is happening?
I'm extremely excited. Like, I think every woman or girl is over here because his fashion is a god we really worship. So I'm very excited, you know, especially because I want to see something new, something fresh, and you know, something. I mean, we need something new right now. So I'm kind of like really excited to see what these guys have gotten up with, and you know, like what the new colors are, the styles are, the fabrics are, and ensembles, and that's why anybody comes to like one of these. Am I going to judge it? Oh God, no! I could never judge clothes. I think fashion is the most amazing thing, obviously. So no, I could never judge it. I worship it.
What real meaning of fashion for you?
Something, I think fashion for me is whatever I wear, it should make me feel a certain way, you know. That's how I wear my clothes. Like generally speaking, there are times when I'm in a bad mood, I'll wear pajamas. But that's because my clothes make me feel good, you know. And that's basically what it is for me. What you wear is how you feel, you know. I mean,
Can you please tell us what is going on in your pipeline? What's the upcoming
What is
project?
keeping you busy these days?
I'm doing a film. I'm doing 2 films with Deepak Tijori. One is called Tom, Dick and Harry Returns, and another one's called Tipsy. There's also like a little non-commercial film called Kalua that I'm doing, and there's one film I've just finalized on, but I've not signed it yet, so I'll wait before I say that. But yeah, I just finalized my 4th film today. So thank you so much, guys. You've been lovely.
Not like even grounded.
No. Sandesh. Come.
अभी नीचे रखो, सब नीचे रखो.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi Alina, it's good to see you here. What are you expecting from the event tonight?
Well, it's Elle, so I'm expecting something as usual, which will be super amazing. Because Elle is always amazing, so I'm looking forward to it.
Like what is it that you're exactly doing inside? Are you judging or are you gonna walk the ramp?
You'll have to wait and find out, to be honest. But I'm really happy and really excited to be here. I always love being part of all the Elle events. I love shooting for the magazine, so I'm very happy to be here.
Kapoor and Sons won a lot of awards.
Yeah, I was
You
so
also played a part
happy,
in the
yeah.
movie. So, what do you want to say about it?
I'm so proud of Shakun and Aisha. You know, they were absolutely amazing. Like, Shakun was really hands-on when I was doing my role as well, and so was Fawad. So I'm just so proud that I was there at Filmfare with them when they scooped the awards.
After Kapoor and Sons, what's the upcoming project?
Both Hollywood and Bollywood, actually. So I'm very excited.
Anything specific that you've signed on which you'd like to share with us?
I'm not allowed to until they give the official press release.
Okay,
So yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. What are you expecting tonight?
Well, we are here to have fun, first of all, and also to. This is our first
Yeah,
outing
our
together.
film's releasing Mona Darling in a month, 17th of Feb. So we are all here together to. It's the first time we are out actually together.
we are out together.
Yeah, after the trailer launch. So if you guys have not seen it, please see the trailer.
Okay, I'm Susanna Mukherjee.
Anshuman Jha, Divya Menon, and we are a cast of this upcoming whodunit thriller called Mona Darling by Shashi Surigala. Bashu Bhagnani is releasing it. The trailer's out. So we are here to have fun and see some good fashion.
Yeah.
How the responses come for
The trailer has been phenomenal. We went viral actually the first day of release. We were trending Twitter for 7 hours.
1 million hits.
And we had
Yeah.
1 million for a small
Views.
film with a young cast. I think it's
A
amazing.
million
There's
hits within few days. It's amazing. So,
3 days. Yeah,
we are all
Sanjay Suri is
excited.
in the film. So it's Susanna, Divya, Sanjay sir, and me.
How was the experience of working together on this film, on the first film?
Oh, it's not. My first film was LSD. Her first film was Byomukesh Bakshi. Her first film was.
Well, it's a while ago now.
Yes. So we are both Dibakar Banerjee launches, and it was nice. It was. It's a very good script. It's a very good director we worked with. He's Nagesh Kukunoor's associate, Shashi Surigala. It's his second feature. He's made an independent film before this, and it's a genre we are all very excited about because Indians love thrillers and whodunits. It's just that this is the first of its kind.
And it's
a
the first social media thriller of
yeah.
India. So
Yeah.
we are
So
all.
the whole hook in the film is the social media. So that way, yeah.
Speaking about tonight, are you guys like walking the ramp or you're judging
No, we are
them or
not.
what?
No, yeah, I don't. I think they are good enough to walk the ramp. I'm not. But
But yeah, I think
we are
we'll
watching.
catch the show.
We'll catch the
and-
show.
yes,
We're looking
and-
forward to seeing some.
And this is our first night together, so we should.
We're
have
very
some
excited.
fun.
After the
Yes.
shoot tonight, we've got together after 6 months
really
or so,
excited
6,
about
7
it.
months. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
wait.
मैम लेफ्ट में
चलो भाई हो गया
मैम एक यहाँ पे
ओके मैम रहमान भाई
इसको एक गाने और नहीं to go.
2 मिनट 2 मिनट रेडी
Only 2 minutes, huh? Thanks.
भाई थोड़ा इधर आओ ना अंकिता तो तुम बाहर आना
Can you shift thoda
Yeah, of
sa na
course.
in the center? Yeah.
Is this okay?
Chalo, rolling?
रोल
Okay, hi Sana, it's good to see you.
Hi.
What are you expecting of tonight? अंदर क्या हो रहा है और आप अंदर जज करने वाली है? You're walking the ramp. What is it?
No, I've just come to attend this moment of fashion oozing out totally throughout the show. Of course, there are so many designers who are showcasing their design, and I think fashion is something which always goes hand in hand with films. And even as a person, I think everybody wants to be fashionable today. And somewhere, just not the actors, but I think even common people, girls, common boys have become so fashionable when I see them. So I think it's very inspiring to see what's new. And I think I just love fashion, so I think I just enjoy this evening, such evenings, yeah.
Sana, what's your fashion style?
Well, I think it just depends on the kind of body I have at that point of time, and the outfit that fits me perfectly and shows me beautifully. So I think, yeah, something which is comfortable at the same time, something which has some nice fashion and looks a little different. So yeah.
After the Wajah tomorrow, so what is your upcoming project is coming?
Well, you'll get to know in a week now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sana, तुम ना पकड़ने जा रहे हो शूट कर रहे
Yeah, chalo.
The photographer. Okay, can we start with the bikes?
Yeah.
हो पहले विजुअल तो ले रहे हो अंदर जा तो हाथ ना
This is the face, center best, right?
This is
is good. But I'll interact with you.
That's the center.
But I'll have to respond to his questions. Or
Yeah, everyone
Everyone
Rolling?
Rolling.
Chalo, rolling?
So,
Okay, hi guys, it's good to see you. What are you looking forward to tonight? What is exactly happening inside? थोड़ा बताएंगे हमें.
well, I'm just kind of looking forward to the show, and it's just great to be here. And Elle's obviously a great magazine, and you know, it's the issues are always around the house and stuff with Sonam and Riya, and so it's just cool. You know, I really like kind of getting ready for events, and it's fun. You know, it's a nice break from, you know, when you're doing overtly intense films. It can get very like you know, demanding and challenging and stuff. So it's a nice it's something, it's just good for your head, you know, to come out, have a nice evening, meet some people that you haven't seen in a very long time.
Right. Also, we hear you're judging inside, if I'm not wrong, the fashion show.
I don't think so, no.
Okay,
no.
okay. So you're just gonna chill and have a good time, that's all.
Yeah, just have a good time.
first, congratulations for the Filmfare Awards.
I didn't win it, so you don't have to congratulate me, no.
But how do you feel about it? How do you feel? Were you expecting that?
You're expecting.
Look, yeah, I mean, if I say something, then you guys are going to make a big deal out of it.
No, but it's an honest question. Like, were you?
I think
Look,
you win Stardust.
I know I won everything except Filmfare.
Filmfare, yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think you know, see, you don't really know what kind of goes into it. Like some awards have a jury, and then they decide. Some have a popular vote.
Yeah.
So I don't really know how they decided this year. But I think, you know, I think Debutant Awards should be for people that are relatively new to films and have done kind of less work. It's like otherwise it's like saying I've done 100 English films and now I'm doing a Hindi film, so I'm a debutant. So if Leo DiCaprio once wins an Oscar and then comes to do a Bollywood movie, he's a debutant, which is not, I mean, it's not something I agree with. But I mean, I think, look, you know, I have Bhavesh Joshi and I have another film that I'm doing that's a biopic that I'm starting at the end of the year. Now, as you grow, you keep working on your craft and you keep getting better as an actor, right? But at the end of the day, if people don't connect with the narrative of the story, it kind of takes away. People feel then your performance isn't what you think it is.
Yeah.
But in terms of myself, I've rewatched Mirzya several times, and there's not a moment I can really change about that film. Now Bhavesh Joshi might come out and, you know, it might connect with people more because of the plot and it's more relatable. So people may think that's a better performance, but that may not be the case. So it's so subjective and it's so greatly dependent on opinions. But I was very disappointed not to win, to be very honest with you. And I'm very sorry, but I'm a very honest person, and so if you ask me the question, I'm going to answer it, you know. So very, very disappointed not to win, and I'll be back, don't worry. Yeah, so we've almost finished shooting that film. We have about 20 days of shooting left, and then the film should release sometime towards the end of the year.
That's great. And Sonam won an award.
Sorry, yeah.
Zaira Wasim, the Dangal girl, has been told just for meeting Mehbooba Mufti, and she has written an apology.
Yeah, I don't exactly know what happened. I saw a little bit of it on social media, but I don't want to have an opinion on something I don't have enough information about. So it would be very wrong for me.
Sonam won an award for the best critics.
Yeah.
What do you want to say about that?
Well, I think she should have won the main category, to be honest, because if you're saying popular, then Neerja is the highest grossing female film of the year. And in terms of popularity, its reach is massive. Right. You know, so I don't understand how it really works. I mean, it's great that she won an award. But I mean, it would have been nice if it was Best Actress. You know, so.
And you know, two big films are coming up, Kabil and Race. Like, which one are you rooting for?
I'm looking forward to both. See, Hrithik really saw Mirzya and really said some very genuine and nice things about the performance, and we've spoken after that, and he's obviously really busy with the film, so I'll probably go and meet him after.
Right.
As for Raees, I think, you know, after Dangal has done such massive numbers, if Raees does well and Kabil does well, then the industry is truly well and back to where it belongs, you know, and that's we really, because then what happens is a couple of films do the numbers and everything changes, you know, and I have a feeling that both the films are going to do really well, you know. Between the two of them, I think there are going to be some big collections.
You spoke about Dangal, and you know, Harsh, because you're an honest person, I want to ask you: do you think Aamir is like the best actor that we have around right now? Because his films get a good commercial response also, and critics also appreciate his films.
Well, I think you know, there is a certain advantage of doing one thing at a time. Like, look, Mirzya may not have worked out at the box office, but in terms of attention to detail and its visuals and its music, it's, you know, you can, you do realize that we've taken that amount of time to make the film. And with Amir, he really invests so much in each character, in each part. You can see how authentic it is and how thought through it is, and it's still very felt. Because what happens a lot of times as an actor is when you think about things too much, then it doesn't feel spontaneous. But he manages to kind of get the best of both worlds, you know. And look, I think it's the finest performance by an actor this year. I think Sushant was amazing in Dhoni also, and I also think Shahid was very good too. So I think those are the three best performances of this year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wait, ma'am, wait here. Rahman, light. Wait. हाँ तो मत ले चलो.
लाइट ले या विजुअल ले रहे हो? विजुअल ले लो पहले.
One second.
And you've already seen the future of Indian fashion. There are great acts that really
चले. Richa, tell us something about the event. You that showstopper today. Tell us.
Well, this is a platform that encourages new talent in fashion, and I worked for a brand called Doodleage, which basically works with recycled fabrics. So it kind of echoes with my ethos, like it's better for the environment.
So what is the real meaning of fashion for you?
Real meaning of fashion? Yeah, please come up with a better question. Every time there's a fashion event, somebody asks us this. Very boring. Style statements. हाँ. Yeah.
Tell us something about what the shooting कितनी complete हुई है?
Shooting is at 50%. We are working, and आज मेरी छुट्टी थी. We are pretty much working for another month or so.
So we have heard that you are doing web series also, which is costly, which is highest costly in our India.
Yeah. It's not a web series, a video on demand.
Okay.
So web series is different, like what you see on TVF and all, you can watch it for free, or you can watch it on TVF Play or other such on YouTube. But this will be available on Amazon Prime.
It's based on IPL?
It's based on IPL kind of thing.
Tell us something that web series.
There's a cricket, there's a ball, there are wickets, stumps, gloves. There's also an L guard.
Richard, two big films are coming up, Kabil and Race. आप कौन सी देखना चाहेंगे? If you are waiting for any particular, which one are you rooting for?
I want to watch Race first because of my loyalties with Excel and with Shah Rukh Khan, and then I'll watch Kabil as well. Looks interesting.
Did you see Dangal?
Yeah.
How's it?
Loved it. Really interesting new film, great acting by all the newcomers.
Richa, do you think Amir Khan is like the best actor that we have around in the industry because उसकी फिल्मों को critics भी अच्छे appreciation मिलती है और commercially भी like it's doing good business all his movies.
But he is somebody who does invest time in creating good content, for sure. That एक second क्या हो गया? Get distracted. I'm saying he's definitely somebody who focuses and invests time and money and effort in creating good content, gives himself to the role a lot. We saw that in his body transformation, and
one doesn't even remember that this is an actor in his 50s because he's, if anything, much more successful today than he was younger. So yeah.
Richa, the Dangal girl,
Zaira.
Zaira Wasi, has
Yeah.
just for meeting him.
Huh.
And then she has tweeted and she on Instagram she
Yeah.
apologized for it. Like, don't consider me as a role model for the Kashmiri youth. What do you have to say?
I think she's not just a role model for Kashmiri youth, she's a role model for the young people of India, of the world. She worked so hard on her craft, worked so hard on being an athlete. It's not easy to be waking up at 4 and 5 in the morning and doing those routines, even if it's for just for the filming. And hats off to her. And I think that what is it that makes people afraid of a 16-year-old girl? What is it that makes people afraid of a 16-year-old girl? We have to question ourselves as a society about why we are targeting somebody so young who has just had an incredible run at the box office and been a part of a film that has created history in India and is empowering for women. And I think some people have nothing better to do but to criticize others. I'm sure whatever I'm saying right now also will lead to criticism for me, but I don't care.
Richa, you're also doing an international project.
Haan.
Can you please tell us something about it?
It's done. It's now in edit and sound and all is happening. And I'm very proud of the film.
Name of the
It's called Love Sonia.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ready? Yeah, done. Ready? Ready? Now tell us something about the event and what you're wearing today.
I'm wearing an outfit by Antaragni, which is a brand by designer Ujjwal Dubey, and it's very beautiful, lovely, natural, organic fabrics.
So today you are a show shopper.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
How excited?
I'm very excited. I'm happy to be a part of this event that sort of encourages new designers and celebrates new talent and design.
According to what is your true style of statement?
My style statement is always generally a little simple, a little classic, conservative. So I especially like the color palette that Antaragni has for this collection. So I was very happy to be here.
Proud you have seen the whole collection.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's a beautiful collection. It's very simple. It's inspired by there's a bit of a Japanese influence in it. It's very light. The fabrics are very cool, perfect for our weather.
Thank you.